Hey everyone, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. I'm Steph from the Luxy Hair team, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my morning hair routine for third day hair. Let's get started. Okay, so I've already done all my makeup, so now it's time for the hair. It's been 3 days now since I've washed my hair, so let's unravel this bad boy and see what it looks like. I can already feel the grease. So I'm just gonna take some dry shampoo and just powder in some in my roots, mainly focusing on the top of my hair, but really anywhere where I feel or see any grease, I'm just putting some in and rubbing that in to get that fresh feeling back again. Wow guys, seriously, the power of dry shampoo is amazing. Okay, so now that I can finally breathe and we have that extra oomph in our hair, this for me is not good enough, no. So I am using the Luxy Hair Seamless Ombre Chestnut Extensions. There are 10 wefts and I'm going to be using the full set to really make sure that I have all the volume and length that I can get. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start from the bottom. Keep on doing the same process and making crowns until your head is filled with the amazing clip-in extensions. Wow guys, my hair is already feeling amazing and long. I've only put in 3 of the wefts. Okay, we are almost done. Now we're just gonna do the side wefts. Okay guys, all 10 wefts are in my hair and my hair is looking absolutely long and luscious. Now I'm just going to quickly add some soft waves to make it look a little bit more natural, and then we are good to go. Okay, halfway done. Now other half to go. Okay, and now I'm almost done, just doing the last back strands. Okay guys, so I am done curling all my hair. We just went from greasy and flat to voluminous and just amazing real quick. To really make sure that everything looks blended and really natural, I'm just gonna brush out the ends a teeny bit. So now the curls just look a lot more soft and a lot more full at the ends especially. Okay guys, that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this morning hair routine helpful and you'll also try it out when you have third day hair. If you did like this video, please thumbs up and also comment down below any ideas that you have for us to do in the future in terms of video ideas, or if you'd like to see anything specific, please comment those down below and we will definitely check those out. If you'd like, you can also follow us on Instagram. It's @LuxyHair, and that's about it. We will see you guys next time. Bye!